Welcome back to Two-Way Radio Shop. My name's Neve and in today's video we are going to be unboxing the Cellular TE590. This is a push-to-talk over cellular smart device. Just before we get into the unboxing today, I just want to quickly explain what push-to-talk over cellular is in case you aren't already familiar. So push-to-talk over cellular, sometimes called PTToc or POC devices, allow for instant voice communication from to one or multiple people nationwide at the press of a button. This is done by using Wi-Fi, 3G or 4G connections. POC devices are basically a hybrid between a traditional two-way radio and a smart device or a smartphone. The technology finds applications in various industries like construction, logistics and event management, where instant group communication is crucial over a large area. So the main benefits of POC devices is obviously that they can communicate over large distances without the investment into infrastructure. So with traditional two-way radios, they do have a limit on how far they can communicate, and even then, the first they're going to be able to communicate will be with the help of a repeater or something like that to amplify the signal. POC devices have instant connection, which mobile phones don't. If you want to ring a person or ring a group of people, the phone will dial before being connected. With the POC device, it's instant. And lastly, POC devices have built-in safety and productivity features such as job ticketing and the emergency button and man down. These are all features that have been taken from traditional two-way radios and adapted to the POC devices. Some of the drawbacks of POC devices is that obviously they run on Wi-Fi, 3G or 4G connections, so to be able to use these you'll need either a reliable Wi-Fi setup in the area that you're using them, or you will need to buy SIM cards to put into the devices to communicate over 3G and 4G. Also with these devices there's potential latency issues, so there might be a slight delay in transmitting and receiving a message compared to a traditional two-way radio. This can be a concern in a situation where split-second communication is crucial, such as in an emergency. I'm going to start unboxing the device now. So as with traditional two-way radios, you get a quick reference user guide. We would always recommend familiarising yourself with this before you start operating the device, just so you have a better understanding of it. This is what the smart device looks like. We are going to assemble this and then we'll go over the main features of it. The device comes with a 4000 milliamp lithium ion removable and rechargeable battery. So unlike with smartphones, this means that if your battery dies, you can swap it out for a charged one and carry on using the device, instead of the whole device now having to be out of circulation and go on to charge. This button here is the power button and the channel switch. So to turn the device on, you just hold this button in. As you can see, it's very similar to a smartphone interface. It uses Android 10 operating system. The device itself is fully compatible with the Google Play services and applications. You can download other applications on here for productivity or something like that, anything you need to help with your workday. The device has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity built in. The device has a dedicated emergency button just here. This is a feature that's been taken from traditional two-way radios. When pressed, this will send an alarm to dispatch or to other radio or smart device users and alert them that you need help or assistance. It also has a dedicated GPS antenna just here. On the side of the device here you have a large textured push-to-talk button. Again, this is similar to traditional two-way radios. It provides instant nationwide group communications and single communications. No waiting for the phone to ring like with a smartphone. The only thing is you do require to have an application installed on the device to facilitate the PTT. It won't just work straight off the bat. For our demo unit here, we have Turbo Call set up, which is an application that allows control room to have full control over the whole communication system. You can use other applications, just as just the one that we always use, and we use for our radio systems as well. So this is just a demo that we have set up on the device to show you how the push to talk would work. So you can press that button and speak, or you can press this button here and speak. On the side of the device here, this is your volume buttons. I don't know if you can see, but press them up and down and the volume of the device will go up and down. So on the front of the device here, we've got 3 buttons. On the left is the menu button, in the middle is the home button, and then on the right is the back button. And underneath them you've got a loud front-facing speaker. This has been designed to have the audio loudness, quality and clarity, same as the traditional two-way radio. So when I was pressing the push to talk button earlier, you might have heard that it's extremely loud. If you go ahead and turn the device over, we have a 13 megapixel camera on the back that does have flash. I'm not going to turn it on because it will ruin the autofocus of the camera, but that little white thing just there, that's flash. So here on the side of the device, this is an accessory connector. This is really similar to a two-way radio. It's got an accessory port cover on it right now, but underneath there's an accessory connector interface. This device supports USB-C connection for charging, programming, data downloading, stuff like that just here. The device itself is being tested to military standard 810G and is IP68 rated against dust and water protection. I'll do a quick 360 of what the device looks like. So as you can see, it really does look like a hybrid between a two-way radio and a mobile phone. The device also comes with a single charge dock that you could use to charge a spare battery back here, and then a device in the front, and it comes with the power supply. So this is a USB-C. It will plug into the back of the docking station or directly into the device. That's it for today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed watching. If you found the video educational or somewhat entertaining, please don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. We put out two-way radio related content every week. And again, thank you for watching. We'll be back soon with another video.